It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 12th of January. I'm Michael Groff. Unsettled weather here in the southwest for the next several days. Cooler temperatures, mostly cloudy skies, maybe some chances of rain. So let's talk about it as we look outside this morning. We've got partly cloudy skies here in the valley at the insane hour of 5 a.m., currently sitting at 48 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 41, relative humidity 76%. The winds are light, the barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area this morning, most of us are in the 40s at this hour. Plenty of clouds, especially across northern Arizona. There's even a few rain and snow showers up that way, and clouds will continue to increase as we go through the day today. On the watch warning map, winter storm watches for the nation's midsection. Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, Illinois, and some winter weather advisories in the Dakotas and Minnesota, as well as out here in the west. The Sierra Nevada continuing to get pelted by very heavy snow, so winter storm warnings there in those areas in the hot pink. As far as the convective outlook goes, no organized areas of severe weather across the country, but some thunder possible on the Southern California coast, as well as much of the nation's heartland and extending from about Childress, Texas, all the way northeast to western Vermont today. As far as our weather goes, let's talk about it in more detail. We'll break it all down for you as we take a look at the models. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. Got an upper low over San Francisco Bay this afternoon. Southwesterly flow here in the valley. Clouds on the increase. We start the day out partly cloudy. I think we become mostly cloudy by this afternoon. High temperatures climbing into the mid-60s. A few rain showers, maybe a snow shower in northern Arizona today. Tonight, we're partly cloudy to mostly cloudy. Maybe an isolated shower, but nothing to get too excited about. And then this is the high-res NAM tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. And this is showing maybe some virga, maybe a sprinkle, a very light shower possible here over south central Arizona. But boy, this is just nothing to get excited about. And then tomorrow afternoon at 5 p.m., again, maybe an isolated shower here in southern Arizona. But other than that, not going to see a whole lot of measurable rain. A 10% chance of rain for tomorrow. This is the GFS tomorrow afternoon. The best chances of rain probably toward the Colorado River Valley, Southern California up into southern Nevada, northern Arizona perhaps, but just nothing really too much here. Mostly cloudy tomorrow, high temps a little bit cooler, mainly in the low 60s. That upper low located just off the Baja coast. And then on Saturday, that low begins to shift east, just south of the border, and the flow around that will be mainly easterly, so a bit of a downslope flow, but there is some moisture with this, a little bit of a dynamical forcing here, so enough to call for a 30% chance of showers on Saturday, but that downslope flow is going to keep us from having a whole lot of moisture at the surface, so this is just going to be a very light, showery sort of event. It's not going to rain all day on Saturday. I think it winds up just being mostly cloudy, highs in the upper 50s to low 60s, and just a few showers. And if we do get rain, we're not talking about a whole lot here. Less than a tenth of an inch, probably most spots see just a trace to a few hundredths of an inch. On Sunday, that initial low pressure area moves off to the east. Still some lingering moisture around. I guess there's an isolated shower still possible here in the valley. Partly sunny skies and high temps, upper 50s and low 60s. On Monday, another short wave drops from the north and moves across the area. And this will have some cold air aloft, maybe enough to generate another isolated shower. But I would say the best chances of that would be along the Mogollon Rim and in far southeast Arizona. I think we will stay mostly dry here in high temperatures, upper 50s and low 60s. On Tuesday, we're partly sunny as westerly to northwesterly flow establishes itself across the southwest states, and high temps again upper 50s and low 60s. On Wednesday, same thing, partly sunny skies, upper 50s to low 60s. This is a week from today, Thursday, January 19th. Pretty good trough developing all the way from the Gulf of Alaska south towards Southern California. And temperatures would be coming down a bit. We'd be right around 60 if this is right, and clouds on the increase. This is Friday, the 20th. And boy, that's a very cold system coming in here to the southwest. This is a bit of a different look than what we were showing you yesterday, though. Yesterday was more of a heavy rain, A very unsettled kind of look. This is a colder, drier system as it's mostly moving over land. So we're not going to get a whole lot of moisture advection, though I still think we'd have a chance of rain if this were to verify. But, understand, we're 9 days out from this. And then this is the end of the forecast period, Saturday, January 21st. We're cool but dry, if this is right. And high temps would probably be in the mid-50s at best. But let me show you the European at the same time, Saturday the 21st. And the European has been developing a long wave trough across much of the contiguous United States. In fact, almost the entirety of North America under the influence of a long wave trough, with the main storm track right over the southern tier of the United States, including Arizona. So short waves would move across that and give us a prolonged period of unsettled weather. But this is 10 days out. Although we are looking for trends, and we have certainly seen a trend toward cooler and more unsettled weather. If the GFS is right, we're colder and drier. If the European is right, we're not quite as cold, but we are wetter. We're certainly more unsettled in terms of our weather pattern. We'll see how it plays out. Temperatures through the period off the European ensemble. Yeah, we're going to cool it off this weekend. Highs getting down in the upper 50s. Not sure we have lows down in the 30s early part of next week or middle part of next week, but that's certainly possible, especially in some of the outlying valley areas. And we will keep it generally below normal through much of the forecast period. And that's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video back here tomorrow morning. Thanks as always so much for watching. Have a great Thursday.